Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable the explicit image filter for all members in your Discord server. This update is perfect if you want to keep your community friendly, safe, and free from inappropriate images. Let's get started right away. First, open the Discord app on your device. You can do this either on desktop or mobile. The steps are the same. Once the app loads, go to the server where you want to turn on the filter. Now, at the top of your screen, tap or click the server's name. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From there, choose Settings. This is where you can manage everything about your server, from roles to permissions and safety features. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the Moderation section. Tap or click on it to open the moderation tools for your server. This is where Discord gives you full control over how content is shared and monitored within your community. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Explicit Image Filter. This area is important because it lets you decide how Discord handles images that may contain adult or sensitive content. By default, this filter might be turned off or set to only scan messages from certain members. To make sure your entire server stays clean, select the option that says Filter Messages from All Members. Once you choose this setting, Discord will automatically scan and block any images that are detected as explicit, no matter who sends them. It's a great way to protect your members and keep conversations appropriate for everyone. After enabling this, there's nothing else you need